Hey guys, it's Miss Elsa.
And Miss Hall.
And today we are going to be working on percent increase and decrease. So you see across the top of your notes, we have set up a proportion for you, and this is how you are going to set up all your problems that you are going to solve in order to be able to find the percent increase or decrease, also called the percent change. So the first one we're going to do is a percent increase, and it says the science club had 25 members, now it has 30 members. So whenever you're doing these, it's really important that you pay attention to your wording in it, such as had 25. Okay, that tells me that that is my original, that is what I start with, and now it has 30. So if I am looking for the percent, that's going to be an X, and it's always over 100. Now, the top portion is supposed to be your change. So I changed from 25 to 30. So to find that difference, I'm just going to subtract them, and that gives me a 5. So my 5 goes on top. And your total, that is your original total, which in this case was a 25. Okay?
Okay, the biggest mistake we see students make is with this 5 right here, the change. They forget to subtract, take the difference, and they will put 30 there, and then their answer is wrong, incorrect. So just make sure you pay attention to what the change actually is. Okay, go ahead.
Okay. So now all we're going to do is cross multiply. And you guys should be used to cross multiplying because we've done this previously with you. So we have 25x equals, and we're going to multiply 100 times 5, which is 500. So now to get the x by itself, you're going to divide by 25. And I know that 25 goes into 50 twice, and then I have the extra 0. So it is 20%.
20% increase. Right?
Yes, correct.
Okay. So our other example is a percent decrease. And so Mark had to write 20 papers for his junior year, but only 13 papers his senior year. So his original was 20, and then his change was 13. So now we're doing a decrease. And so 20 minus 13 is 7. So his change is 7. And we can always fill this side in. We know that that is always going to be 100 on the bottom when we're working with percent. And we're looking for percent, so our X goes there. And his original was 20. Now we're going to cross multiply. I think y'all called that butterfly in the 5th grade or something like that. So we have 20x equals 700. Now we have a one-step equation. I'm going to divide both sides by 20. 20 over 20 is 1, so we only have 1x left. And I'm just going to cover up these two. I'm going to reduce by these two zeros, because remember, we can simplify with the zeros. 2 goes into 70 35 times, and this is a percentage. So his percent decrease in number of papers he had to write from his junior to his senior year was 35%. Okay, thank you.
Bye.